we do not get dumpsters. We throw our trash in the back and we haul it out. No, I always put granite in everything. I don't put dishwashers in nothing. No garbage disposals, no dishwashers, no ceiling fans, granite.
You do carpet?
In our flips.
But what about your rentals? No
Never.
Never.
Never. I think acquisition on this one was 26 grand, and rehab, I don't know, we're probably in it around 60, 70,000. Our biggest issue, I'm sure you guys can figure out real quick, and he hasn't been happy about us rehabbing this house. It's bringing down his property value. Come on in, guys.
So you're doing full, I mean.
We do everything.
I mean, but you're.
I got
that 60 to 120K range, like you're doing full guts, like most of your jobs.
No.
These are you're doing. Okay, you're showing us the ones that are.
I'm showing you some shit that we got to finish up and letting you know.
Gotcha.
Like we've got nice stuff. There's no point in showing you guys that crap. We have nice stuff up north and stuff.
I can't afford this stuff, so.
No, I mean this is just.
I can relate to this more.
Yeah. Well, like this one, our biggest problem is right there.
All right, Troy's got me out here in the trap houses of Kansas City.
That's right,
Troy,
baby.
What are we doing out here?
We're learning how to buy real estate the right way. We buy cheap, inexpensive houses that produce massive amounts of cash flow.
Look at all these people. Change their lives out here this weekend. Let's go.
That's right. Trap houses, man. No, I'm just kidding.
Former trap houses.
So honestly, I haven't seen this house in a month or two. It looks great compared to where it was at. You guys saw it before? It was pretty bad. So this is just your rent-ready house, $800-900 a month. You see what our biggest? I haven't been in this house. It looks great.
$800-900 a month you get for this?
Yeah, $800-900 a month. We filed code enforcement on that guy about 32 times.
Something like that.
We just keep applying the pressure. Eventually, I could actually probably go and hire a lawyer and get him really enforceably remove him stuff, but we'll see how that becomes an issue. Another thing, are these original cabinets, Danny?
Yes, sir.
Original cabinets. So when we talk about these look like pretty much brand new, right?
Why granite here, Troy? Do you do that everywhere? Is it because it's tenant proof?
They iron their clothes on the counters.
Yeah.
So I want to give them a smooth surface.
Yeah. No, it makes sense.
Yeah, no, I always put granite in everything.
Less.
Everything. I don't put dishwashers in nothing. No garbage disposals, no dishwashers, no ceiling fans, granite. See, no ceiling fans, no garbage disposals, no dishwashers. You know why?
Too many calls. They'll call and they want a
Well,
replacement.
let me just say, number one, what do you do when you get your dishes? You rinse them off and you put them in the dishwasher. Let's just clean them.
Yeah.
Okay, like this is waste. What's the garbage disposal? Most people don't even know how to use it. They throw their stuff on
Everything.
there,
Yeah.
and then they blend it. So that's going to be something that's going to break every single time. I don't put washer and dryers in there. They have to provide their own washer and dryers. So this is a good representation of the kind of quality. But these are all original cabinets. You see how we just threw a piece? And this is the prefab slabs I'm talking to you about, Devin.
Yeah.
This is probably what, $300 we pay for this?
3 or 4, yeah.
Yeah, so our guy can cut this one, so we didn't have to hire a professional installer, because this is just same pattern, you know what I mean? So you don't have to match it up. But I haven't been in this one. You guys have done an outstanding job. I don't know, Jesus, and you have been managing this one? I haven't been in this one in I don't even know how long.
You always do backsplash too, like always, even with
We
the
try to make our stuff look top tier, like everywhere. That's like, I take good pride. Like I want to provide a good product at a low price in trap houses. Seriously. No, we do. Like everything we do, hardwood floors. Normally we'll do this type of stuff in there, but you can see these are all brand new hardwood floors. That's the most expensive to put in.
Yeah,
It's real hardwood.
That's real hardwood.
This is LVP.
This is LVP. That's real hardwood.
Why did you do LVP? Why'd you do hardwood instead of LVP?
Because this will last forever. I can sand it 25 times. This will go bad.
Right.
That never goes bad unless there's a water. This will move and shift.
But yeah, but this is waterproof.
Yeah, but here's the problem with this stuff. If you've had rentals for a long time, you'll see that this stuff shifts. Hardwood, I can slice another piece in, stain it. I can take a piece out, it's like concrete. This stuff, I gotta go find the exact same match if something goes wrong with it. LVP is the worst. I do LVP on my flips only.
Right.
Because I don't gotta own it.
And the only reason we did LVP in this one is because we went over budget, so instead of tile, we went LVP.
Yeah, because I didn't even expect LVP. Go ahead.
Yeah, so then, later down the road, it's probably going to be 1 or 2 tenants that beat it up, but by then you've made your cost back, and then you throw the tile in.
Yeah. Normally it's just going to be tile and hardwood. That's it. That's all we mess with. Except for flipping it, we put the cheapest laminate that looks the best, carpet, everything
You do carpet?
in our flips.
Yeah, but what about your rentals? No
Never.
Never.
Unless it's got it with it.
Right.
And then we'll run that thing out till, you know. But
Until you put LVP or something, or I mean hardwood in.
so in Vegas, it was all tile. We just, out here, it's all hardwood.
What's your carpets in my flips in the bedrooms?
Yeah. Well, and I would it depends on how small that one is. Is that 1,300 square feet?
1,200 of tile. 1,200 of tile space, like floor space.
Yeah, I would do tile the whole thing. Run a 45 on that thing. It'll make that house look so clean. Like imagine this tile or this LVP was laid this way. So you break your line right down the middle here, and then it comes like that. Sexy. Yeah, it gives you a nice look. I would on a smaller house, you want to use the same flooring because it makes it look bigger. So if you put carpet, it's going to be about the same cost. You're going right on top of concrete.
Yeah. So LVP, 1,180 square feet.
LVP it.
Yeah, that's what
The whole thing.
Hey Troy, why are you doing rocker switch?
I don't know. Why are we doing rocker switches?
Because those taller ones break.
Yeah.
Because they're fancy, and Troy's a fancy guy.
Yeah. Yeah, it's like $18,000 I think on this one, and we just had to go through the whole permit thing. That takes forever out here in Kansas City. If we weren't dealing with permits, we would have been done in this job in about 3 months.
What are the numbers on this property?
I mean, if that neighbor's not next door, we could probably sell this thing for like 130, 140, 150, something like that. You know?
Yeah, it looks good.
Yeah, it looks great. I haven't been here in a while. You guys did a great job on this one. Is this Maynard?
Maynard finished it, yeah.
Maynard did a good job. Yeah, we had three contractors for this job. That's why it took
I had
long.
a question.
So with the hardwood floors, have you ever had a bad tenant with like pets and it gets really stinky? Have you had to?
Yeah, but you could just resurface them.
Okay.
So so on this, if these tenants trash it, we could just get a sander and stain it.
And that's why you do the dark stains, hide any stains.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Keeping this as a rental, right?
Yeah.
So do you what? You buy the appliances too?
Like what appliances?
Like meaning like a stove, like a.
Yeah, we'll buy this. We don't do it until they move in.
Oh, okay.
Because you know why? The stoves move out if nobody's moved in.
Right. Right.
So once they sign a lease, we coordinate Home Depot to meet them, do the installation, and then we don't want nothing to do with it because it'll move out. They know it's vacant. People are looking in the windows. We do not get dumpsters. We throw our trash in the back and we haul it out. Why? What does dumpsters bring?
Attention.
Attention. What kind of attention?
Neighbors' attention.
Who's going to dump on there? Do you think all my neighbors are going to get all their shit out of their house? So we just don't do dumpsters because number one, somebody's going to say, okay, they're doing a rehab. There's tools in there. I'm going to break in. You go drop the dumpster, come to do the job site. It's full because all your neighbors dumped all their stuff in there. So I bought a dump trailer. We have our guys run it out and do it that way. In Mississippi, you guys bury it. I'm not kidding you. Or burn it. All right, guys, let's rock and roll.